thought I'd just show you real quick how we sleep. Right now I'm in the bed. And we have this. What is this called in English?
What? Mosquitero.
In English? Mosquitero?
No. Okay. I don't know. It's like a net. Like all you can describe it as.
Yeah. It's a net that you
like
put over the bed to keep the bugs out at night, right?
Net.
Because, you know, we sleep with the windows open. Can I point? We can sleep with the windows open for air so the bugs come in, but there's a hole in it. And it's a pretty big hole. And it's right on my side. Alright. Oh, so let me show you how we have to climb in and out of bed. So you see, right now, the sheet on the bed fell off. So we just have to lift this up and climb out. And then I'll give you a little bit of a room tour. And that's pretty much what we're doing it. Oh god. The door keeps doing that and it always scares me. What is it hitting? Just the wall? You can see out the window here. This is our view. And all those motorcycles that you hear now, like if I just play the video by itself, that's what we hear all morning. All morning, all we hear are the motorcycles, and that's what wakes us up. And it keeps going and going.
And there's random noises. Remember this morning? There was like a loud bang, and I said I thought the building was falling, and I woke up like this.
I think that's the neighbor. I think that's the neighbor for real.
Again?
But I don't know what they're doing.
I'm moving out.
We're going to Sosua Beach, switching over to GoPro.
Next day.
Guys, it's day... What number? Day 3. These days have been so long that I feel like I've already been here forever. Today is, we're going to our twin cousin's birthday party, but right now it's 11:11, and we're gonna go find them a gift and go get some food before the party starts. It starts at 2, but if we're running on Hispanic time, it's not going to start at 2. And then we're going to come back, get ready, and then head over to the party. But listen to what's going on outside. Where's it coming from? I don't know where the music coming from, but it's coming from outside. I just don't know from who or from where. That's basically every day what we wake up to.
Literally the alarm clock here is the honking. I don't even hear the roosters.
I don't hear the roosters either. I just hear the honking. Someone just honked. So here's the deal. We just are now getting ready for the party. We're kind of late. So now we're being rushed to leave, and I brought pants, like long pants, to wear with my shirt. And turns out they don't fit. They don't close. So I had to end up wearing shorts instead. So let's see how the rest of the night goes.
And then every 2 minutes I was on my phone, he kept look at me, Santa. I'm like, what is so funny? She's just sitting there looking around.
No, she wasn't.
And then Melly goes, oh, hey Santa, do you want a drink? And she goes, oh, no. And then he's like, drink the beer. And I was like, you're just trying to get her to dance with you.